How to increase Wi-Fi signal strength on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to turn off your router with 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Then restart your Android phone as well. Hold power button on your device and simply swipe towards restart. This will help refresh the connection and fix minor network issues. Second step is simply you need to open settings. Now navigate to Wi-Fi. So here you need to choose the saved network and tap on the I button. Now choose the forget network option and then reconnect by entering the password to reset the connection. Bonus tip, you can move closer to the router for a better signal as well. If this didn't help you, you need to simply go to settings again, go to Wi-Fi and network, and simply you need to, or you can even choose the mobile network, tap on the more setting option, or you select your SIM card and choose the preferred network type, and here you need to choose 4G, 3G or 2G. For faster speed, if there is a 5 GHz option, you can easily select that if your router supports it. Also, you can easily use this Wi-Fi signal booster application like NetSpot Wi-Fi Analyzer or OpenSignal from the Play Store. These applications help you find the best Wi-Fi channels and reduce the interference. So, by following this step, you should notice a stronger and more stable Wi-Fi connection on your Android device. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.